Today, our topic is academic writing. Academic writing includes expository writing, descriptive writing, narrative writing, report writing, assignment writing, essay writing, and story writing. As we all know that all the written forms are in three basic parts, that is introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. First of all, we are talking about introduction. In introduction, all the keywords of the topic sentence are there in introduction. And in introduction, we write what we are going to explain in paragraphs. Body paragraph. In body paragraph, there are mostly 3 to 6 paragraphs, and every paragraph must have 5 to 6 lines. In body paragraph, to make it more attractive, we add quotations, topic sentences, evidence, fact, examples, use adjective, and add pictures. If we are making blog, then we are adding pictures. Then conclusion. Conclusion is a new idea which is related to the main topic. In conclusion, we use words like so, therefore, thus, it is concluded that, and we should not use the word should, you, and we. Thank you so much.